In this video, let's see how we can remove or delete a ticket, basically just using up this reserved sequence number using no opcode. The no opcode means the code that effectively does nothing at all. Okay, let's continue from our previous video tutorials. If you have not watched our previous video tutorials regarding tickets, please make sure to watch that before this video. So let me comment this code and straightforward start writing the payload, that is no op code. So the transaction type is AccountSet. Well, this AccountSet transaction doesn't do much. It just consumes this ticket sequence number and doesn't do anything else. And like any other normal transaction, it consumes minimal fees. I'll hard code it to 10 drops. You should fetch it from the network. Sequence is 0 because we are not using the sequence number. We are not using the current sequence number. And in ticket sequence, we need to specify the ticket we want to consume or delete or remove. So once you run this code, the ticket object associated with this sequence number, that is with this ticket sequence number, gets deleted from the ledger. So let me sign it and submit it to the network. So once you remove or delete a ticket sequence number, it frees up the reserve which has been held because of this ticket object. So let's output the result. Well, we could even copy this code and use it, which displays the tickets associated with our account. Let me put it here. Okay, everything looks fine. We could even remove this and paste it after executing this payload, that is AccountSet payload. That way we will only display the ticket sequence number which are still pending and associated with our account after this no op code execution. Okay, so this should remove the ticket sequence number ending with 800. Let's check that. So sequence used is 0, ticket sequence used ends with the number 800, and we only have one ticket sequence number now, that is the sequence number with ending 800 got deleted. If you again run this same code with ticket sequence number 800 which doesn't exist on your account, it just tells you that no ticket found with that ticket sequence number. We still have one ticket which we could just remove. So execute the code once again, and you don't have any tickets associated with your account right now. Let's check that. So let's display account_data. And as you can see, there is no field called ticket count. That's because there are no tickets associated with this account right now. Okay, so that's how we remove tickets associated with our account, that is ticket object associated with our account, using no op code. Now this code looks fine, but we could enhance it by just checking for one condition, that is our account should not have more than 250 tickets at any given point, right? So let's validate that. So this field has the total number of tickets associated with our account. So if this is equal to 250, already equal to 250, just output a message that you can only have a maximum of 250 tickets and just return, which is halt the execution process here. But we need to calculate two things, that is the number of tickets present on an account and the number of tickets you want to create again, which both should not add up to 250 or more, right? So it should always be less than 250 or equal to 250. So let's see how we can implement it. Well, we could ask the user to input the ticket count from command prompt and then add it here as well. So both of them combined should not exceed 250. Okay. We have a red line here because whatever the user enters through the command prompt is considered as string. We need to convert it to number. So let's wrap it with the function number. It's a JavaScript method. We should actually validate all the user inputs, but that's for your assignment. We have already seen it enough in the early videos, so you can do it yourself. Let's even convert it to number. So ticket count field takes value from 1 to 250. If you give anything other than these values, it will throw error. So I'll create one ticket now. It successfully created one ticket. Now let me try to create 250 tickets. That makes 250 plus 1, which is 251 ticket, which exceeds the maximum allowed number of tickets on an account, which is 250. So 1 plus 250 is 251, which is greater than 250. So it should output a message that you can only have a maximum of 250 tickets, and it rightly does so. I'll end this video with an assignment to you. When user inputs the number of tickets he or she wants to create from the command prompt, check if the user has enough XRP which is required for the reserves. That's an assignment for you.